Barney error. He dead from robot. Robot so stupid, cause he ain't playin' smart and decide to screw up his life by killing them innocents. He ain't a player. He a killer. He's so mean and dumb. Like as I will always say. No, turn off. Don't do that. No. Cause it'll make you lame-o. So no, do that. It'll be dumb. You ain't playin' smart. No. Why you do that? LOL, you just got bamboozled. You think that was actually gonna happen in a funny Barney error? I don't think so. Ha. You so silly dumb. What I was actually gonna do is that you lost in a chance. You got 5 chances and do not waste any more grounds for 2578 903 1462 838 32 816 years says Why you do it again? Now I'm so mad sees that me so angry. If you do it again, then I'll be in a villain mode. So donut. Boo.